Hey guys, it's Mo Muller here from London, and I just wanted to very quickly give a testimonial to Daniel and his Apex Seller program. As one of his kind of earlier members, I found out about his program and have really been building my business up since then. So I think for me, before I found Daniel and the Apex program, I was very lost essentially. I didn't know where to go. I knew that I wanted an Amazon FBA business, but when you kind of put that into Google or you search it and you find all these kind of different so-called gurus, it's difficult to find out who actually is genuine and who's not. Now I stumbled across Daniel, luckily with a close business associate that introduced me. And since we've kind of been introduced and he showed me about what it is that he's looking to achieve with his members, it's kind of just exploded. So for me, working through the entire course and all the materials, it did take a long time, but I think I like to go through materials and really soak it in, understand it completely before I go into the next step. So I worked through literally every single step from the beginning, from understanding what Amazon FBA is, to really your mindset of how to set up and run a successful business, all the way through different processes, different strategies, and all the key components to make your Amazon FBA business stronger and last for longer. Now moving forward from there, I have picked my own product. I've sourced a very unique product, and I only kind of found that because I put it into a strategic framework that Daniel gave, and once it fed in through all the numbers and all the different properties, I realized whether it worked or not, and it did take a little bit of time. So I think if you're kind of on the sidelines and you're not sure whether this program is for you, I'd recommend that you take the plunge, because I've kind of tried different Amazon FBA programs, and this is by far the best. It's got the most comprehensive content. It's got a really good mentor that understands and I guess cares about their success, and everything's laid out in very clear, strategic ways, which kind of makes it difficult not to achieve and get really good results. So thanks, Daniel, and I wish you the best of luck.